Alright, what is up, guys? We're gonna do a little bit of video, some repair. Not repair, but we gotta figure out where some of these Phillips heads are I can get. Need to pliers or something because these are hard to get out and the pointy. Let's see if I get the right one. Take the center of this out. Right. It's a little bit, but I think I need the next one out. I think I might need to try to get smaller. So yeah, we're just gonna mess around with this here. Try to like replace the. We're gonna put a different battery, different ESC in it. So we're gonna mess around with that. See what we can. See if we can get different speeds. Like right now we're getting 48 with what's here in a 3S. Alright, let's see if we can get this so we can. Come on, dude. Give me the screws. So I want to do is gonna put this ESC in there from the Rolalo. I'm gonna take this motor and put that in there. Please don't tell me it's the whole unit. tired, my bad. Dog bone came out. Who's gonna tell me that whole thing has to come on? Serious? I gotta take the whole. Right, so it's got some opinion in that thing. It says 4,000 kV motor. So 3S at 4,000 kV. So you're talking about 50,000, like 44 times 11. So it's like 44,000. And if you do the 3,200 kV, this motor's really. It's the same size motor, except this is a higher kV. It's a brushless 2847. Same thing. So I don't think there's a way to. I mean, I can upgrade the ESC, but I don't think there's a way of making this motor any faster. A car any faster other than changing out the gearing. Like, I think that's a metal. It's a metal gear, so. So I don't think I'll be able to make that rake faster. I don't think so. But yeah, I don't know. I might be able to upgrade it, but I don't think putting that motor in there is not going to make it any different than that. It's the same size motor, just the kV is higher. Could probably get away with doing the ESC. Just making it 3S instead of that. Unless I can find it different. I don't think I can find different gearing. I don't think this thing came with different gear, but you wouldn't be able to. I have to find the pitch, like the mesh, like the spur would be bigger, and then the pinion. I mean, the spur would be smaller and the pinion would be bigger. Find a different size that would equal to the same distance. But yeah, I'd have to try to find. I think it might be a 48 pitch, so it's a little bit smaller. Yeah, for now it looks like we're not going to be able to change out the gear or anything like that. Man, I'm wondering if the Rolalo 16, like the drive shaft in that thing will fit. Because then it's got the pit different. But yeah, if you don't mind, thumbs up this video. Yeah, it's a short one. I mean, it's a little short, and I only took the motor out, but I wanted to check this out right here. So we're gonna probably keep this motor because this motor here, is a 4,000 kV. So these Rolalo ones here are only 3,200. So we might keep this motor. We might change out the ESC so we can put in the different receiver, and we'll play around with this controller and test it and stuff like that. And so, if you don't mind, yes, check out this video, thumbs it up, and then if you don't mind, if you like the content, then subscribe to the channel, and yeah, hit the notification bell. You'll be able to get when videos go upload and go live or something. And sometime I'm gonna do maybe some live builds and stuff. I got a car I did buy, so we will be doing a build on that. So into a 6S with a 6S ESC rig and stuff like that. So alright, so hopefully you'll check this video and hopefully you'll subscribe. Alright, check you out later.